Fick's law of diffusion. What is this Fick's law of diffusion? There is a formula for Fick's law of diffusion. It is nothing but J is equal to minus D into A into dC by dx. J is equal to minus D into A into dC by dx, where J is the amount of substance diffused, D is the diffusion coefficient, A is the area through which the diffusion occurs, and dC by dx is the concentration gradient. You can see a negative sign in the equation. The negative sign indicates that the diffusion occurs from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. What are the factors affecting diffusion across the respiratory membrane? First factor is the pressure gradient, that is Pa minus Pc. Diffusion capacity is directly proportional to the pressure gradient. Second factor is the solubility of gas in the fluid medium, S. The diffusion capacity is directly proportional to the solubility of the gas. So diffusion capacity is directly proportional to the pressure gradient. Diffusion capacity is directly proportional to the solubility of the gas. And the third factor is the total surface area of respiratory membrane. It stands for A. The diffusion capacity is directly proportional to the surface area of the respiratory membrane. So the diffusion capacity is directly proportional to all these three factors. Next factor is the molecular weight of the gas. The diffusion capacity is inversely proportional to the molecular weight of the gas. And the last factor is the thickness of the respiratory membrane. It stands for D. The diffusion capacity is inversely proportional to the thickness of the respiratory membrane. The last two factors, what I have told, is the molecular weight of the gas and thickness of the respiratory membrane. The diffusion is inversely proportional to the thickness of the respiratory membrane as well as the molecular weight of the gas. As you can derive the equation as diffusion capacity is equal to Pa minus Pc into A into S divided by mW, that is molecular weight, into D, where Pa minus Pc is the pressure gradient, A is the area of the respiratory membrane, S is the solubility, and mW is the molecular weight of the gas, and D is the thickness of the respiratory membrane.